Got my buddy Ryan with us today. This beautiful Lexus. It's an 03 IS300. And we're doing an incredibly heavy mod today, installing an aux cord. That way it can be lit at all times.
Power to the radio.
Yeah, it's completely stock. It's your basic IS300. It does have the 6-cylinder 2JZ in it though. Good shit. Let's do a walk around of it. Here's his dirty ass stock IS.
It's supposed to rain Sunday.
Tell us about the car, Ryan. Come get him framed.
Car. It's pretty good. I don't know much about cars, but I want to learn. Gonna get it lowered soon.
Check out this mad fitment we got going on here. That's like
some dank tire gap.
That's a solid 4-finger tire gap right there. And then check out the hovercraft fitment. It's not gonna be a drift missile. I don't know. What are your plans for the build, Ryan?
I don't have any plans yet.
No plans yet.
No
okay.
plans yet.
Just gonna slam it and then see where it goes from there.
I don't know about slamming it.
He's not gonna slam it.
My driveway is too steep.
His driveway is pretty mad steep though. Got all of our tools for our tool needs for this install. Let's get to it. So we've already done a trial run of this before. I already forgot though. We're rocking the eBay special on this this fucking adapter.
23 bucks.
Yeah, over the.
Saw about 5 of them. Some of them were like $90. Looked the exact same. So
The eBay special.
let me try this one out.
So, the first step, if I remember correctly, the first step is to take this piece out. And I think you have to, yeah, use some vital tools to pry the side a little bit, and then you like fucking double hand it and pull up and out, boom. Just like that, folks. It's as simple as that. And then take that out, and there's two 10mm bolts. Right there, and then the other one is on the other side right here. So go ahead and take those out. Just imagine after this, be playing all the dank tunes.
That was nice, right?
Alright, next, I'm pretty sure you take out this little doodad. And we are professionals, so... Okay, we're not professionals, I lied. There we go, just pop that off. So underneath that little pad thing is 2 Phillips head screws. There, and then on the other side. Like I said, we are experts, so...
Try this at home.
So you should probably try this at home.
Wait, I don't remember the step
I
after this.
think this whole thing...
I
think this whole thing comes out. Yeah, because I think I remember I just pulled it and it like... No, not just this. I'm pretty sure. Because I remember just like... I don't know if we used the vinyl tools along with it.
I thought you just pulled it out.
Oh yeah, oh no, because we had to do each side individually,
yeah.
I think. Now I can't get that other side. Pull from that side.
Didn't it pop up?
It's like, that's something stupid.
Out.
There we go, you gotta pull up and then out, and then boom. There's that. And then after that, there's 2 more 10mm bolts. One there.
Where did this go again?
And one there. Where did that go? Just put that fucking anywhere. Put that at my feet. Some more I think we just
pop the whole
I think we
thing
just
out?
pull it out. I think you lift up and out. Yep, and that's it.
Oh yeah.
And now the fucking worst part of all. Worst part is trying to get the I think they're AC.
How are we gonna?
The AC clips off.
Oh,
AC
shit.
controller clips off.
What was the fuck?
Try and film. Okay. Because it was underneath. Oh, it was like these little tabs.
Oh, what the
You turned your blinker off.
Oh shit. Oh, it's the hazards.
Oh, there we go.
Amateurs.
Yeah, amateur hour over here. Have you been filming me?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh god, this is awful.
And now it's just your hand.
Oh, perfect. Good shot of me. Oh,
one.
So, I'm gonna zoom up a fucking that. So,
How do you focus it?
okay.
There we go.
So this is the little tab, this little part right here. So it's underneath, and you basically have to get your finger underneath it from the back and push up on it, or pull up, and then pull it out. That's how they both are. Manhandle it.
Oh,
yes,
got it.
they got it.
Quality.
And now you can pull it out 3 more inches.
All right, 3 more inches.
All right. And where's the part?
The part in question.
Overexposed. There we go. Yeah. Oh gosh. And then this plugs in. This little guy plugs into the CD changer port or something like that. Right down there. Right here.
Get it?
Yeah. So just plug right into the back there.
Like. Is that clicked?
Probably push it harder.
Feels clicked. Try it.
Yeah. Good to me.
That's it.
Yeah. So I'd say let's plug in.
Where do we keep the?
So I think what we want to do now is plug these back in. Plug these guys back in. Just set it in there. And then turn the car on and see if it works.
You do that?
Yeah. Yeah, as long as we have everything plugged back in. And then after that, door closes on you. And then after that, we can see if it works. And then after that, we can figure out how we want to get the aux cord to actually come out of the car. Plug these guys back in real quick. You're gonna have to take them out again.
What?
We're gonna have to take this back out to figure out the plumbing.
Hope we don't blow up.
Plugs right in. All right, let's see. Oh shit, that's Snapchat.
Turn the car on.
Yeah, not all the way on, but yeah, accessory mode. Let's go ahead and play some.
What mode is it gonna have?
Bad and bougie, probably CD. Alright, so we are playing. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus.
I hear it.
Oh wait, I changed it. Oh, playing Chill Bill. We got Chill Bill on there.
It works.
Trying to get the camera to focus on my phone. This song is probably copyrighted, so.
Oh shit, yeah.
That's alright.
It's definitely copyrighted.
Hey, we did it. Alright, so we're gonna tell the people. So
it works.
So we tested out, as you guys see it works. We have this. And the whole thing is we're just gonna stick it.
Well, we can put all that stuff back, right?
Eventually. Yeah. So we're just gonna stick this down in here, and then once we put this away, it'll be nice and tucked away. And we're going to drill a hole, probably back here somewhere into the bottom of this, and then stick the actual cord through it, so that way once everything's tucked up, it'll be just poking out through the bottom here. So we have the Mac Daddy old school drill. I'm gonna drill a pilot hole with a small bit first, and then after that, we'll drill a bigger hole. So we could just undo all these plugs and make it easy.
Like
right here.
Like right here. Okay. Nice. As you can see, hole was created.
Not even.
Not even.
I want to fucking poke through it and
Just fucking stab something.
fuck everything else up.
That went through.
Vacuum this out.
Yeah.
Get shit everywhere. Alright, now I need to
It's
get
dirty anyways,
I
so.
know. Alright, here we go. Bigger hole time. That's what she said.
Got him. Oh, that was easy.
Okay.
Fuck. Oh, shit. I don't think that'll fit.
I think it'll fit.
Nah,
I believe.
you're sitting on it.
Shit, sorry. Moment of truth.
It's not gonna fit.
Film this shit.
Oh, I told you.
Alright, we just gotta drill it out some more. It's fine.
Just a little bit more. He's fucking going in. Oh yeah, circular motion.
Oh yeah.
That should be good, yeah? That was big enough.
Feels big enough. That's what she said.
Oh shit.
No, it's fitting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not fitting, you're forcing it.
Yes.
Oh, it did.
Look at that. Look how clean that is, yo.
We did it.
Film that shit. Look at how clean this is.
Look at that clean hole.
That's a clean ass hole, right?
Look at that hole.
Excuse me? Alright, let's see how fucking legit we can make this look.
Looks pretty clean.
Alright, now we're just gonna do all the steps in reverse. And get this shit all put back together. Alright, install is done. Check out fucking mad clean this. You can't even see.
Check out how mad clean it is.
Can't even see how. You can't even see where it just comes out of nowhere. And fucking. I should stop probably cussing. It works.
When you working hard, then your money start spending.
Oh, that pops out.
I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy.
Make it more like your video where you were just driving and talking.
You watch my videos?
Yeah.
Oh god. Anyways, plug that shit in. Plug it in, fam.
Look, you're cussing already.
I know.
You said
I'm
you
sorry.
stopped cussing.
All right.
Oh, this isn't gonna work with my case.
Well, get a different case. You should probably turn the car on. Or actually, no.
You're right.
Oh, yours doesn't turn on like
Nah,
that.
it didn't turn on.
Oh yeah.
What are we gonna play?
Install's done. Thanks for watching, everybody. You're gonna see more
Subscribe.
so you probably should subscribe. You're gonna see more of this fool. We're gonna be slamming. Well, we're gonna be lowering it. I want to slam it.
Slam.
He doesn't want to slam it. He's a bitch. But anyways, whatever you see this car next to, we'll probably just be lowering it. So that's this video. Subscribe, like the video, favorite it, comment if you have any.
Follow him on Twitter.
Follow me. I don't have a Twitter.
Instagram.
You should follow me on Instagram.
Facebook.
I have a Facebook.
Tinder.
All right, guys. I'm out.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Sunglasses on or off?
Just whatever
so
comes,
fucking
whatever
white,
comes
dude.
natural.
I can't, dude.
Look at you. Look at how white you are.
White I am. I'm not doing this.
You got it. It's your car.
Nah, too white.
All right, we got my buddy Ryan. Got his fucking. Okay, this is awful. This is awful. All right. At least we're acting natural.
How do people do it,
shit.
dude?
I don't know.